Welcome to a bite-sized burst of knowledge. Today we're diving into the world of Layer 2 Virtual Private Networks, or L2VPNs. Imagine this. You're in a bustling city, but you need to send a secret message to a friend across town. Instead of shouting it from the rooftops, you'd want a private tunnel, right? That's exactly what L2VPNs do in the digital realm, creating a secure path for your data to travel from one network to another, undisturbed. They operate at the data link layer of the OSI model, hence the name. This means they can transport data between different types of networks, like Ethernet to frame relay or ATM to Ethernet. But why does this matter? Well, L2 VPNs provide a cost-effective way for businesses to extend their networks. Think of it as building a bridge over a river connecting two separate lands. And that's your tech tidbit for today. Remember, in the world of networking, it's not just about sending messages, it's about ensuring they reach their destination safely and efficiently. For more, connect with us at www.betanetworks.com. Until next time, keep those data packets moving.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.